Miss Kolchik here for today's phonics lesson. So we're going to do it just like normal. So we're going to review our sounds. Then we're going to go over some words that have those sounds in them. We're going to learn a new sound and go over some words with that new sound. And then we're going to do some common exception words. So if you have a piece of paper and a pen, that's fantastic, or a whiteboard and whiteboard marker. If not, you can use your magic finger in the air. All right, are we ready? Fantastic. Let's review our sounds. So we're first going to look at our sound that we learned last day, which is this one here. Do you remember what that one is? I. Very good. Fantastic. So I'm going to hide that one in there because we should read it more than once. Right. Shh. B. Oh, my kitten's come to join us. J. A. I. Very good. That one's the one from last day. K. Peralta. Y. V. Ch. He really wants to play today. Z. W. Qu. X. E. D. N. Z. Sh. B. J. Fantastic job, you guys. All right, I'm gonna mix them up. We're gonna go through them as quickly as we can. All right, are you ready? All right. Wow, fantastic job, you guys. Did you get them all? I bet you did. You guys are so good at your phonics. All right, so what we're going to do now, we're going to review some words that have those sounds. Okay, so I will do the first one for you, and then after that, you guys will do them first. Are we ready? Ch, e, p, cheap. Your turn. Fantastic. Right, this one I'm going to save for a little bit later because that one's a tricky one. Ick. Thick. Peralta. Come on, Bubba. Them. J. I. Ooh, Jill. He's wanting to chase my finger. Okay, come on. Quit. This one has our sound from yesterday. Sight. Fantastic job. Oh, another one from yesterday. Light. Fantastic. All right, we're going to stop there and we are going to write 3 of our words that have our old sounds in them. The first one I'm going to do with you. Okay, so our first one is going to be jacket. Jacket. So we need to sound it out. So we have j, a, k, e, t. Jacket. So we have our 5 sounds. So when we write it, we have j, a, k, that double k sound, e, t, jacket. All right, now it's your turn. Your word is chop. Chop. Go ahead. Sound it out and then write it down. All right, so it's ch, op, ch, op. So we have ch, op, chop. If you got that right, give yourself a tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. Our next word is going to be rush. Rush. Sound it out and then write it down for me, please. All right, so we have sh, sh. So when we write it, we have and then our sh sound. All right, if you got that right, give yourself a tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. All right, and our last word that we are going to do is going to be quick. Quick. So sound it out and then write it down. Remember that k sound is at the end of the word, so it's probably a double k sound. A big hint for you there. So we have qua, ik, qua, ik. So when we write it, we have qua, and then our double k sound at the end there. So if you got that right, give yourself a tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. All right, fantastic job, you guys. We are now going to move on to our new sound. And our new sound is O. O. O, O, O. 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 Oh. Oh. Fantastic. And our new sound looks like this. Can you please write down your new sound on your board or on a piece of paper or in the air? 5 times for me, please. Go ahead. All right, fantastic job, you guys. What's that sound again? Oh, fantastic. So I'm going to hide our O sound in here. And our O sound is seen in the word goat. And goats have horns. So when you see the O sound, I want you to do this with your fingers like you have horns like a goat. Okay, so when you see the O sound, you're going to go, oh. All right, are we ready? B. Oh, fantastic. Let me hide that again. K. Y. Z. V. Ch. W. Oh, great job, you guys. Let me hide that again. Qu. J. A. I. Very good. That one was one from yesterday. Oh, fantastic. And I'm going to hide that one more time in there. X. E. D. Ng. Sorry, guys. Prada. Z. Sh. B. Oh, fantastic job, you guys. All right, so what we're going to do now, we're going to read some words that have our O sound in them. So I'll do the first one to show you what I want you to do, and then after that, you will start them, okay? So it will look like this. P-O-Ch. Poach. Your turn. Fantastic job. All right, your turn. Show me first. Toad. Fantastic job. Road. Fantastic job. Coat. All right, we'll do two more. Loaf. And last one. Goat. Fantastic job. All right, what we're going to do now, we're going to pick 4 words and we're going to write those words on our board. All right, so I will do the first one for you. Then after that, you will do them and then I will show you them after, okay? So our first word is soap. Soap. So we sound it out first. S-O-P. S-O-P. So then we write it down. We have S-O, our new sound. P. All right, it's your turn now. So your word is load. Load. Go ahead, sound it out with your fingers and then write it down for me, please. Go ahead. All right, so we have O-D. O-D. So when we write it, we have O-D. Load. If you got that right, give yourself a tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. All right, our next word is going to be oak. Oak. And this is with a kicking K. So go ahead, sound it out, and then write it down for me, please. There's only 2 sounds in this one. So we should have oak. Oak. So we have O. And then our kicking K. And oak is a type of tree. If you got that right, give yourself a tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. Right, and your last word that you're going to do with your O sound today is going to be coach. Coach. And our K sound is our curly K. Curly K. So go ahead, sound that out, and then write it down for me, please. All right, so we have K-O-Ch. K-O-Ch. So we have our K, our curly K, our O sound, and then our Ch sound. Right? If you got that right, give yourself a tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. All right, fantastic job, you guys. So we're going to first review all of our common exception words. Then we're going to learn a new common exception word. So we're going to go through them slowly the first time, and then we'll do them quick, and then we'll introduce our new one. Okay? They, her, are, you, was, we, be, my, Peralta, she, all, they, her. Fantastic job, you guys. All right, I'm going to mix them up and we're going to go through them as quickly as we can. All right, are you ready? All, my, are, you, they, was, her, she, we, be, all, my. Fantastic. All right, I'm going to do it once more. Except this time I'm not going to say them at all, so you're going to have to do it completely independent. Are you ready? Fantastic job, you guys. All right, our new word is me. Me. Me, me, me. Me. Me, me, me. 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 And it looks like this. Can you please write down me 5 times for me, please? Go ahead. All right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to hide me within our common exception words. And every time you see me, I want you to point to yourself because that means me. Okay, so when you see me, I want you to go me. All right, are we ready? Me. Fantastic. Oh, sorry, let me hide it in there, not at the back. There we go. Very good, you guys. Let me hide that in there again. Very good, and I'm gonna hide that in there one last time. Fantastic job today, you guys. All right, my apologies for all the kitten interruptions today. He's been a little rascal today, getting into lots of trouble, but thank you very much for sticking in there with me, and I hope that he at least entertained you a little bit. He is quite good for that. And thank you for tuning in to our phonics for the day. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.